Hey guys, if you connected your Razer BlackShark V2X to your PS5 but you're not sure it's set up correctly, you're in the right place. The Razer BlackShark V2X is a wired 3-pin 5mm gaming headset, so it works through the PS5's DualSense controller instead of Bluetooth. Most setup issues happen because the headset isn't fully inserted into the controller, the PS5 is still outputting audio to the TV, or the microphone settings haven't been configured. These are the steps you can try to fix this and use your Razer BlackShark V2X properly on the PS5. So let's get started. Number 1. Plug the 3.5 mm headset cable firmly into the DualSense controller. 2. Open settings, then sound, then audio output and select controller headset. 3. Set output to headphones to all audio and adjust the headset volume. 4. Go to settings, then sound, then microphone and choose controller headset as the input device. 5. Launch a game or join a party chat to test both the game audio and microphone.